What can a well-balanced Herbalife Nutrition healthy breakfast do for you? Number 1. It provides hydration. Water is vital for the proper function of virtually every cell, tissue, and organ in the body. When you are not properly hydrated, your body sounds an alarm that shows itself first as thirst and dry mouth. Signs that you may not be taking in enough fluids might also include dark urine, constipation, bad breath, muscle fatigue, and headache. Water is essential in every living cell in the body, and it contributes to the maintenance of normal regulation of the body's temperature. For those on a balanced diet, more than 70% of fluid intake comes from beverages such as water, coffee, milk, juice, soda, and tea. Most people don't realize that a significant amount of fluid is consumed through daily food intake. Almost all foods have some water, but fruits and vegetables are especially high in water content, which make them a wise choice to consume. Water is involved in the entire digestive process, from start to finish. It all begins with saliva, where your mouth begins the process of breaking down your food. The food reaches the stomach, and the gastric juices are released. This highly acidic environment pulverizes your food into a paste, which is further digested in the small intestine. In the large bowel, water helps dissolve soluble fibers, enabling them to swell and add bulk. Similarly, the insoluble fiber that you eat tends to trap and attract water rather than absorb it, which helps promote regular bowel movements. So from the start to finish, water is an integral part of the digestive process. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimum brain activity, as the brain is made up of 73% of water. Hydrating first thing in the morning maintains healthy brain functions. Mild levels of dehydration can affect your mood and cognitive function. As part of its body functions, water contributes to the maintenance of normal brain functions. Did you know that a mere 4% reduction in fluids level causes a decrease in 20 to 30% performance and resulting in difficulties in concentration, headache, irritability, and sleepiness? Herbal aloe concentrate makes hydrate you to start your day right. After a long night of sleep, your body wakes up naturally dehydrated. Drinking a glass or 2 glasses of water first thing in the morning is a good way to help keep your body hydrated. Why hydrate yourself with aloe is better than just drinking plain water? Because the natural aloe vera plant contains minerals, some proteins, and polysaccharides, among other substances called phytonutrients, which are health-promoting compounds that found in plants. It helps to calm the digestive system and support nutrient absorptions while keeping your body hydrated. It's a good alternative to high-calorie drinks. What can a well-balanced Herbalife Nutrition healthy breakfast do for you? Number 2. It gives you the extra boost of energy you need to conquer the day. We face energy fluctuation every day and struggle through the day fueled by food and beverage that makes us feel worse. Our mood swings in tandem with our energy level and drive us to consume sugary, high-calorie food to compensate for our cravings. Drinking tea helps you to stay sharp and active with naturally occurring caffeine. Herbalife tea mix contains naturally occurring caffeine from green tea and orange pekoe extract. Caffeine works by stimulating the central nervous system, heart, and muscle, and the centers that control blood pressure. As a stimulant, it facilitates the body's ability to use fat for fuel. It also reduces the perception of fatigue. It's available in a variety of delicious flavors. Not only it tastes refreshing, but it's also providing the antioxidant benefit of tea. It's only 6 calories per serving. You can enjoy it hot or cold. It's perfect to help you feel energized anytime throughout the day. What can a well-balanced Herbalife Nutrition healthy breakfast do for you? Number 3. It gives you nourishment. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. High-protein breakfast promotes satiety more than carbohydrates and fats. therefore reduces snacking or overeating later in the day. A study showed that high-protein breakfast improves the body's response to high-carbohydrate food up to 4 hours after breakfast. Even after consuming white bread as breakfast, respondents had improved. High-protein breakfast foods are always a good choice. It not only supports weight management, when it comes to essential nutrients, proteins sit on top of the list. Vitamins and minerals are essential towards maintaining health and well-being. Vitamins and minerals help your body function the way it should and bolster your immune system. They also convert food into energy and repair cellular damage. Deficiency in any of these nutritional components can impact optimum body functioning and healthy metabolic processes. Eating a nutritious meal is the best way to get sufficient amount of the vitamins and minerals you need. A glass of F1 nutrition shake is only 189 calories when mixed with 240 ml of low-fat milk. But it comes with a lot of essential nutrients that is beneficial to us, such as 16 types of vitamins and minerals, 18 grams of protein, 350 mg of calcium, antioxidants of vitamins A, C, and E, and 3 grams of fiber. Herbalife Formula 1 Shake, also known as a nutritious meal in a glass. It provides protein as much as 3 medium eggs, vitamin A as much as 4 medium tomatoes, vitamin C as much as 1.5 medium lemon, calcium as much as 4 slices of cheddar cheese, and fiber as much as 2 medium banana. A low glycemic index and high protein breakfast is found to be associated with higher energy levels. Foods low in GI also contributes to satiety and avoid hunger. They also help to reduce energy intake during the meals. This would in turn play a big role in weight management and weight loss. According to the Ministry of Health (MOH), GI is a measurement of how fast or slow a food with carbohydrate can increase one's body sugar level. To put in a simple terms, low GI foods are absorbed slowly, whereas high GI foods are absorbed fast. The index has 3 categories, which are green, yellow, and red. This is similar to a traffic light, where green means you are all clear to eat these foods often, yellow means practice caution when you choose these foods, and red means food with high GI which you may want to avoid to keep an optimum blood sugar level. Begin your day with more nutrients with Herbalife Nutrition Healthy Breakfast. It is fast and easy to prepare. 3 steps is all it takes. Start with herbal aloe concentrate mix for hydration and healthy digestion. Gently shake herbal aloe concentrate water before each use as contaminant setter. Pour 120 ml of water into a glass. Mix 3 cupfuls of herbal aloe concentrate mix, followed by a cup of tea mix to help you feel energized. To prepare Herbalife Nutrition tea mix is rather easy. Mix half teaspoon of tea mix with 200 to 240 ml of hot water or cold water and stir to mix well. Then you can enjoy a cup of refreshing and low-calorie tea. End off with Formula 1 Nutritious Mixed Soy Protein Drink. Take 2 scoops of Formula 1 Nutritious Mixed Soy Protein Drink and mix with 240 ml of low-fat milk. Add a few ice cubes if desired. Shake or blend to mix well. Then you can enjoy your nutrient-dense healthy breakfast. Begin your day with more nutrients with Herbalife Nutrition Healthy Breakfast. To purchase the products, please reach out to your wellness coach for more information.